Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, makeup, skincare, vlogs, real people and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. Today I'm gonna finally be giving up the tea, finally stop gatekeeping and give y'all what y'all been asking for. Denise, how in the world do you use up your fragrances like that? Now, if you saw my video from last year, I emptied over 27 fragrances in 1 year. Now, I didn't do that this year, but I have been emptying fragrances throughout the year. Definitely not as many, but I have so much more now. So I'm gonna give y'all the tea on how I use up my fragrances, because when y'all see me emptying fragrances, y'all just be like, how, Sway? Now I'm gonna give y'all the recipe, but I know that don't mean y'all finna do it. Y'all just want to know how I do it. I get it. So the first thing you need to do is determine, do you have fragrances that you want to empty? You may have fragrances in your collection that you've had for a while and you like, you know, you may still love it, but you like, girl, I done had it for so long, it's time to move on. It's time to go on and use it up, and you just want to get rid of it. And that doesn't necessarily mean that you don't like the fragrance. It's just time to move on. So you'll definitely want to pull those to the front of your tray, the front of your shelves, or just so that you see them and they are in your eyes view. Of course, the first thing I'm going to say is, girl, overspray. Overspray your fragrances. I have so many fragrances in my collection, and I know a lot of y'all do too. So why are you babysitting your fragrances? You picked up that fragrance and you want to use it today. You probably won't even reach for that fragrance again for another 6 months to a year. Girl, spray the fragrance. Spray it like today is your last day ever wearing it in life. Now, if you're not new to my channel, you know how I spray. If you watch my vlogs, you've seen how I spray. I'm going to town because I probably won't reach for this fragrance for a while. I may wear it tomorrow, but it doesn't matter. Either way, I'm spraying down. I usually pick out my fragrance that I'm wearing for the day before I even shower. So after I get out the shower, I do my lotions and body oils and all of the things. I'm spraying down my body with my fragrance. Front of my body, back of my body, everywhere. You ain't gonna get nowhere if you boom, 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 boom and think you're going out the door. Like, girl, that's not gonna work. Now, if you're a person that get headaches and you don't like your fragrance to be strong, this video ain't for you. Okay, this is for the people that want somebody to smell them. Okay, you want to be smelled. Okay, you want the fragrance to be in the room before you. Them my people. Come on in and have a seat, learn something. Okay, so spray down, spray your entire body. Then when you put on your clothes, spray your clothes. Your clothes holds fragrance longer than your skin does. So you want all that. You want all the layers going on. You want it on your body. You want it on your clothes. Spray down. Stop babysitting these fragrances. Stop holding on to them like they're gonna be with you forever. Girl, nobody loves your fragrances like you. When you leave this earth, your family probably gonna throw that stuff away, girl. So you better wear it, okay? Wear it like it's your last day and stop playing games with these fragrances. It's absolutely no reason for you to be holding on to them, especially when you know you finna buy another one on payday. You sitting over there with 200-300 fragrances, 100. I don't care if you got 10 fragrances, girl. Spray them darn fragrances and quit playing. Ain't no point in you having a big plate of food and you just gonna take a couple scoops off of it and go on about your business. You ain't gonna be full, honey. Next is, if you have fragrances that you do want to go ahead and use up, focus on those fragrances. Wear them a couple of days a week, you know, so you can kind of get through them. If they're a fragrance that's appropriate for bedtime, wear it to bed a few times a week. Sorry, y'all, that's Diego. You know he got to be in here with his mama, but he's leaving now. Is you coming in here and sitting down? What you finna do? If you gonna come in here, you come in here and have a seat, sir. I'm trying to record. Mama's working. Okay? Okay. So do what you need to do to focus on those fragrances and give them more love. You know what I'm saying? Wear them to bed. You're going to bed every night, so wear the fragrance to bed. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're going to work every day. Wear it to work. Wear it a few times a week so you can go ahead and get through it. If you're buying all these new fragrances, it ain't no point of you trying to hold on to them old fragrances. Some of us done have fragrances in our collection for 5 years. Girl, use that fragrance up, child. And another thing with discontinued fragrances, girl, it's discontinued. Go on and use it up, honey. You holding on to it ain't gonna make it come back. It ain't gonna make it come back. You holding on to it and don't even wear it. You holding on to it like precious gold and don't even wear it because it's discontinued. So you got a fragrance that you love. You love it so much that you don't even want to use it. It's like, that don't make no sense. Go on and use them fragrances, girl. You buying new stuff, moving on to new things and finding new loves. Use them discontinued fragrances. Y'all out here ordering backups of fragrances and y'all got 200, 300, 400 fragrances. What you getting a backup for, girl? You ain't even got a dent in the one you got. Like, child, y'all a trip. Y'all is really a trip. But I ain't judging. I'm just saying, if you gonna buy backups, use the ones you got. That's all I'm saying. Next, stop waiting for special occasions, girl. Every day is a special occasion, okay? Every day you woke up is a gift of life, okay? That's why it's called the present, because it's your present, okay? Your gift of life. Wear your fragrances, okay? Stop being like, oh, I gotta be going to a black tie affair to wear this. Girl, you ain't going to no black tie affair. You ain't been to one and ain't going to one. Go on and wear that fragrance. Oh, this is for a special occasion. I have to wait till I'm going to a wedding to wear this. Girl, you and everybody you know married, divorced, and married again. Go on and wear them fragrances. Oh no, this fragrance is just for date night. When the last time you went on a date? When the last time you went on a date, sweetie? Go on and wear them fragrances, child. Stop holding on to stuff talking about it's a special occasion. Every day you wake up is a special occasion. Wear your fragrances. Those fragrances make you feel good and make you feel special because you feel like you want to wear them for a special occasion. Wear them every single day. Any day that you want to wear it, it's going to make you feel special for that day. I promise you. Tell yourself that in order for me to buy more fragrances, I have to get rid of some old fragrances. Put that mindset in your head. You want to buy new fragrances. We all do. We want the new fragrances. We want to buy new fragrances. We want to experience new fragrances. But the more we want to do that, the more we neglect the fragrances that we already have. So start shopping your stash, girl. You want to buy some new fragrances? Hold on. Wait a minute. And go on and get some of them fragrances that you haven't worn in a while and reconnect your love for those. I promise you, when you start wearing them, you're going to be like, dang, I miss this fragrance. I love this. Why am I not wearing this? Like, you will get that feeling and it will feel like a new fragrance all over again. Trust me. And that'll help you use up your fragrances. Last but certainly not least, girl, is layering. Layer your fragrances, create your own scents, and also that'll help you use up your fragrances because you're using multiple fragrances at one time. So spray some of this, grab that and spray some of that, grab that and spray some of that. Now make sure they all go together and it makes sense, okay? Don't be out here spanking, okay? But yeah, like if you know fragrances go together, layer them. Then you're using 3 fragrances at once. You know what I'm saying? And you're getting your not only unique scent, but you're getting your use out of your fragrances. Like, it's so important. Like, that's one of the best ways to use up fragrances. And it's also fun because it's kind of like cooking. You putting different, things together, different recipes together, coming up with your own unique scents. You know what I'm saying? And you will get more compliments that way because people haven't smelled that before. You know what I'm saying? They can't be like, oh, she got on this, or oh, she got on that. You don't know what I got on because I got on a couple things, a few things. You know what I'm saying? So you don't even know, So definitely get into layering if you have not already started layering. Like, layering your fragrances it's fun for one, and you kind of get into the habit of like, dang, I don't even want to wear one fragrance at a time. You know what I'm saying? And then it also helps you just kind of discover new combinations and things you want to try in your collection, what goes with what, and all of that. Like, really shopping your stash is so much fun. That's why I love doing my weekly perfume tray, because I'm really shopping my stash. Like, it makes me not want to purchase so many fragrances because I have so many, and I'm shopping my own stash, finding my old loves and making them new loves again, pulling out fragrances that I've just been neglecting and haven't worn and actually wearing them. Like, dang, why haven't I worn this? You know what I'm saying? If you have fragrances that you really enjoy and you love, but you know what, you had them for a while, you probably might be tired of wearing them, you don't want to wear them no more, use them as room sprays, use them as bed linen sprays, because that'll help you use up the fragrance, and you already know you love that fragrance. Sometimes we have fragrances that we love the smell of them, but on our skin it just doesn't resonate the same. It's something you can't return. Use it on fabrics, use it on your bed linen, on your pillows, on your bed sheets. Use it for that, and you can definitely use up your fragrances. So those are a few tips on how I empty so many fragrances, how I use up my fragrances. Even when I do my empties videos, there's always a couple of fragrances in there because I just know how to get through my fragrances. So definitely let us know down in the comments, how do you guys use up your fragrances? What are your tips and tricks on how you use up your fragrances? Or are y'all over there babysitting all them old fragrances? Buying backups and ain't even used the one you got. Ain't even got a dent in it, child. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.